Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world so that you can have inner peace, renewed hope, and greater happiness. So you can live your life on purpose, because those things that matter most should never be at the mercy of the things that matter least. Last time, I told you that every Tuesday at 2 I would share a tip, technique, story, something with some humor and heart with you. We talked about the APB, putting that awareness, pause, and breath out to get yourself to be present again to the moment. You know, before my accident, and I had a horseback riding accident that left me as completely disabled, which is why you hear the funny accent that I've got as well. Because I'm one of 60 people in the world that has had a traumatic brain injury and acquired a foreign accent. Yes, the lovely brogue that you hear is really one that I've gained from having an acquired brain injury. And I was diagnosed as completely disabled. Now, the funny piece about this is that my daughter went to school in England. And so my husband and I went through and went up into Scotland. And when we got up to Inverness, I called for a bed and breakfast. And I said to the lady, how do we get there? And she said, well, surely, darling, your accent tells me you're from Inverness. Well, I said, it's really grand to know. The laughter is like music to the heart. Those things that help us to pause in the moment, to get that awareness. And it doesn't matter about the chaos of the new accent. We're going to calm that chaos by putting out the APB and taking a few deep breaths. So remember, there is a greatness that lies within you, and you can tap into that greatness by creating harmony from within. Until we meet again, all the best and many blessings.